Welcome. Today I am going to explain trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. You have learned complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Two angles having the sum 90 degree, then that angles are known as complementary angles. For example, if the measure of one angle is 50 degree and the other angle is 40 degree, so we can say that these two angles are complementary angles because their sum is 90 degree. If one angle's measure is 25 degree, then what will be the angle complementary to this angle? That is 90 minus 25. That is 65 degree angle. That means 25 degree angle and 65 degree angle. These two angles are complementary angles. Then if one angle is theta, then what will be angle complement to this? That is 90 minus theta. So when you add these two, you will get 90. That means if one angle is theta, then the other complement angle is 90 minus theta. Now let us find out some angles. That means the complementary angles in a right triangle. Look here. In this right triangle, this is 90 degree. Then what about these two angles? These two angles. So the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Since the sum of all the angles is 180 degree and this angle is 90 degree, then sum of these two angles will be 90. Isn't it? Yes. So these two angles are complementary angles. If this angle is theta, we can take this angle as 90 minus theta. Okay. Yes. Then find out sine theta from this figure. Sine theta. Sine theta is BC by AC. Isn't it? Sine theta is BC by AC. Then what about cos of 90 minus theta? Cos of 90 minus theta. It is also BC by AC. BC by AC. That means sine theta and cos of 90 minus theta are equal. So sine and cosine, they are co-ratios. Sine, cosine. So sine theta and cos of 90 minus theta are same. Now find out sec theta from this figure. Sec theta is equal to AC by AB. Isn't it? Yes. Then what will be cosec of 90 minus theta? Cosec of 90 minus theta also AC by AB. That means sec theta and cosec of 90 minus theta are same. Then they are what type of ratios? Sec theta, cosec. Sec and cosec are co-ratios. Then tan theta. Tan theta is equal to BC by AB. And what about cot theta? Cot of 90 minus theta? Cot of 90 minus theta also BC by AB. That means we can say that tan theta and cot of 90 minus theta are equal. Tan theta, this is cotan. This is a co-ratio. Okay, tan theta and cot 90 minus theta are equal. So similarly you can find out cos theta and sine of 90 minus theta. Then cosec theta and sec of 90 minus theta. Then cot theta and tan of 90 minus theta. Compare them. Trigonometric ratio of any angle is equal to the corresponding co-ratio of its complementary angle. That means sine theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta, sec theta, cosec 90 minus theta, tan theta, cot 90 minus theta, cot theta, tan 90 minus theta, and cosec theta, sec 90 minus theta, cos theta, sine 90 minus theta. Okay, using these concepts we are going to do exercise 8.3. Question number 1. First part of the question, sine 18 by cos 72. Look, the angles 18 and 72, they are complementary angles. When you add these two angles, you will get 90 degree. So you should use that concept of complementary angles here. So I am going to change any one of that ആംഗിൾ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണത്തിന് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ രണ്ടിനും ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യരുത്. അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ഇതിനെ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ പോവുക. സൈൻ തീറ്റ ഇസിക്കൽ ടു കോസ് ഓഫ് 90 മൈനസ് തീറ്റ. സോ സൈൻ 18 ഇസിക്കൽ ടു കോസ് ഓഫ് 90 മൈനസ് 18. That is 90 minus 18 is 72. That is cos 72 by cos 72. That is 1. Second part of the question, tan 26 by cot 64. 26 and 64 are complementary angles. So I am going to change any one of the angle. ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണത്തിന് ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യണം. tan 26 ഞാൻ മാറ്റാൻ പോകണം. tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. So here I can write cot of 90 minus 26 by cot 64. 90 minus 26 is 64. That is cot 64 by cot 64. That is 1. Third part of the question, cos 48 minus sin 42. 48 and 42 are complementary angles. Change any one ratio here. Cos 48, cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. So here you can write sin of 90 minus 48. 90 minus 48 is 42. That is sin 42 minus sin 42. That is 0. Fourth part of the question, cosec 31 minus sec 59. 31 and 59 are complementary angles. So change this. Cosec theta is equal to sec of 90 minus theta. So here you can write sec of 90 minus 31. Look here. Sec 90 minus 31. That is 59. Sec 59 minus sec 59. That is 0. Question number 2. Show that tan 48 into tan 23 plus tan 42 into tan 67 is equal to 1. Can you see any peculiar feature in this question? എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രത്യേകതയുണ്ടോ? ഉണ്ട്. Because you can see complementary angles here. Look here, 48 and 42 are complementary angles. 23 and 67 are complementary angles. So you rearrange the question. Rearrange and write the question. Like tan 48 into tan 42 into tan 23 into tan 67. This is our LHS. We want to prove that LHS is this one. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Then what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. ഇനി നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഈ കോംപ്ലിമെന്ററി ആംഗിൾ 48ഉം 42ഉം കോംപ്ലിമെന്ററി ആംഗിളാണ്. ഈ കോംപ്ലിമെന്ററി ആംഗിൾസിന്റെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണത്തിന്റെ റേഷ്യോ നമ്മൾ മാറ്റണം. രണ്ടിനെയും മാറ്റരുത്. കോംപ്ലിമെന്ററി ആംഗിൾസ് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിട്ട് ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണം. ഇപ്പൊ ഞാനിത് 48ന്റെ ഈ ഒരിതിന്റെ റേഷ്യോ മാറ്റാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. Okay, tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. So here I can write cot of 90 minus 48. Don't change this. Write that as it is. Then ഇവിടെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരെണ്ണം ഞാൻ മാറ്റാൻ പോവാണ്. 23 tan 23 മാറ്റാൻ പോവാണ്. എന്താക്കാം tan 23? Cot of tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. 90 minus 23 into, don't change this, adine maattirthu, tan 67. Cot of 90 minus 48 is cot 42 into tan 42 into cot 90 minus 23 is 67 into tan 67. Cot 42 is 1 by tan 42. അല്ലേ? cot tan the reciprocal ആണ്. This is tan 42 into, this is also 1 by tan 67 into tan 67. Cancel. So this is 1. ഇവിടെ 1 കിട്ടി. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് 1 കിട്ടി. 1 into 1 is 1. That is our RHS. This is our RHS. Now look at the second part of the question. Cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 is equal to 0. Here this is the LHS. Take LHS first. ഇവിടെ നോക്കിക്കോളൂ. These two angles are complementary angles. ഇതും complementary angles ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് ഞാൻ ഓൾറെഡി ഇത് റീഅറേഞ്ച്ഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നെയാണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്യാന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ അത് തന്നെ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു ആംഗിളിനെ മാറ്റാം. ഞാൻ ഈ 38 എന്ന ആംഗിളിനെ മാറ്റാൻ പോകുന്നു. cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. So here I can write sin of 90 minus 38 into, ഇതിനെ ചേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യരുത്, cos 52 minus sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus 38 into sine 52. That is sine 52 into cos 52 minus cos 52 into sine 52. Sine 52 into cos 52 minus cos 52 into sine 52. Same expressions are sine 52 cos 52. Here also sine 52 cos 52. So you will get here 0. This is our RHS. So LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 3. If tan 2a is equal to cot of a minus 18, find a. Look here. Here this is tan. Here cot. So you make both into one ratio. നമുക്ക് ഈ tan 2a cot ആക്കാം. എങ്ങനെയാക്കുക? tan theta is equal to cot of 90 minus theta. So tan 2a is equal to cot of 90 minus 2a. This means 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. That means 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. ഈ 2a അങ്ങോട്ട് കൊണ്ടുപോകുക, 18 ഇങ്ങോട്ടേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരിക. That is 3a is equal to 108, a is equal to 36. Question number 4. Tan a is equal to cot b. Prove that a plus b is equal to 90. ഇവിടെ നോക്കുക, ഒരെണ്ണം ടാൻ എന്ന റേഷ്യോ ആണ്, മറ്റേത് കോട്ടാണ്. രണ്ടിനും ഒരേ റേഷ്യോയിലേക്ക് ആക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ ടാൻ തീറ്റ നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് കോട്ടിലേക്ക് ആക്കുക? ടാൻ തീറ്റ ഇസ് ഇക്വൽ ടു കോട്ട് ഓഫ് 90 മൈനസ് തീറ്റ. സോ ഇൻസ്റ്റെഡ് ഓഫ് ദിസ് ടാൻ എ യു ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് കോട്ട് ഓഫ് 90 മൈനസ് എ. കോട്ട് ഓഫ് cot b. This means 90 minus a is equal to b. That is 90 is equal to b plus a. Question number 5. Sec 4a is equal to cosec of a minus 20. Find a. See, we know that sec theta is equal to cosec of 90 minus theta. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഇത് സീക്കിലും ഇത് കൊസീക്കിലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിന് രണ്ടിനും ഒരേ റേഷ്യോയിലേക്ക് ആക്കണം. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഈ sec 4a cosec of 90 minus 4 എന്ന് എഴുതാം. This means 90 minus 4a is a minus 20. Now how will you find out a? Take this 4a to that side and this 20 to this side of the equation. That is a plus 4a is equal to 90 plus 20. That is 5a is 110. That is a is equal to 110 divided by 5. That is 22 degree. Question number 6. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, show that sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to cos of A by 2. See, we know that in a triangle ABC, the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now find out B plus C from this expression. Because we want sine of B plus C by 2. So find the B plus C, that is 180 minus angle A. Then after that find out B plus C by 2. That is 180 minus angle A whole divided by 2. That is angle B plus angle C by 2 is equal to 180 minus angle A by 2. That is 180 by 2 minus angle A by 2. 180 by 2 is 90 minus A by 2. B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Now we want sine of B plus C by 2. Here you take sine of this angle. Sine of this angle is equal to sine of this angle. Write that. That is sine of B plus C by 2 is equal to sine of 90 minus A by 2. What is sine of 90 minus theta? Sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So, this becomes cos of A by 2. That is sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos of A by 2. Question number 7. Sin 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. We know the trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. See, sin theta is equal to cos of 90 minus theta. So here sin 67. This is instead of theta here. So sin 67 we can write cos of 90 minus 67. This cos theta we can write sin of 90 minus 75. 90 minus 67 is 23. 90 minus 75 is 15. That is cos 23 sin 15. This is the answer. Now these angles between 0 degree and 45 degree.